Hello everybody, in previous lecture we learned how to use BeautifulSoup library, and in this lecture we are going to create a real world example. This example will be very useful because we will learn new things about BeautifulSoup library, and also we will learn the functions we already learned in BeautifulSoup library. Here we have a website and it is download.cnet.com. As you see, its website it's a popular website actually. Here we will I want to here there is articles here, its latest guides. So I want to parse this website and we will grab the title of this article and also summary content, and after that also we will open this link by Python, and after that we will go to this page, of course, for all of the articles, and we will also get all the content from our websites. This will be really nice example, and actually I checked some many videos about BeautifulSoup, but I have never seen somewhere it's like you can open a link by Python, and after that you can go to that link and you can get the which content or whatever you want from that link. So it will be a really nice example for us. Let's get started. Like before, here also we can get also these links. Also we can also do it if we have time. Also I want to show you how to get these links, okay, all of them, and we can also use limit function here. But before that we are going to focus on these articles because it will because this is the most important part for this lesson. Okay, let's go back our PyCharm, and here for the BeautifulSoup folder I will create a new file and I will say Python file. Let's name it CNET because the website name is CNET. And like before, what we need to do, we need to firstly import our libraries, right? The first one is request, and other one from BeautifulSoup for import BeautifulSoup. And after that, what I need, I will create a URL variable here, and I will say URL is equal to, let's grab it, and now I will paste it here, and after that I will say response, my another variable, response is equal to request dot get URL. Okay, and here I want to check the status code of the website. Okay, print response dot status code. Let's check it. We should always check this status code, because if your website it doesn't return it to 100, that means it is not easy to parse this website. Okay, so let's run it. As you see, the cnet.com it returns me 200. That means I can parse this website. Okay, and now I will comment out this guy, and after that I will say content is equal to response.content. Okay, and here I will create my soup object. Soup is equal to BeautifulSoup, and here I will pass in content and of course my XML parser, LXML, actually also HTML parser. And now let's create an item here. I will say before that, actually we need to go back here our website, and we need to check it. As you see, I said I want to parse these articles. Okay, I want to grab the title, and we can grab here picture, the summary content, and after that we will open this link, and of course we will open it by Python, and here as you see we have full content of the article, so we will also get this article. And how we can work, before here I will come, and here on the Google Chrome there is really nice tool. If you make right click, as you see it says inspect. If I click inspect, as you see here now I can see all the HTML codes here, and now I'm checking them. Okay, that one, let's find something. Its latest guides is here. Okay, as you see, it is between h2 tags, right? And here I have some common div. As you see, it says div class is item block. As you see, if I come here over it, as you see, it's blinking. The other one, the first one, and second one, and third one, and this is the next one. If I come to here, yeah, as you see, it's like that. So that means if I want to parse this website, if I want to grab the title, and of course also this picture, also content, I can use this div, okay, because everything is inside this div tag, okay. For this one, for example, let's open the first one, and the first one is here. It is that one, okay. If I extend it, let's do it. If I extend that div, sometimes it's slow, it works slow. Yes, now it's okay. As you see, now my title is here. It is between h2 tags, right? Is here, and my content is, let's open this p tag. I think it's here also. As you see, it is blinking. If I come here over the p tag, if I extend, as you see, it's my content. The summary content is also here between p tag, okay, and my picture is also here. It is a class story thumb, okay. It's no, this is the high ref, actually. This is my link, and my picture is somewhere here. Yes, it is here actually. As you see, it's span class is image. So that means if you see image, that means the picture is here. As you see, I'm here and it is blinking here. Okay, that's why we know now which div we can use in our BeautifulSoup library. Okay, the divs, all of them is, their name is okay. The div and the class name is item block. Okay, so I will come back here. This one is little, sometimes this tool is slow, okay, that's why you can have, and here again I want to inspect it, and after that, okay, let's go to here. As you see, the first one is here, okay, item block, and the other one is here, you see. So that means I will use these divs and their class name is item block. Let's go back to PyCharm here, and I will say here, I will create a variable. Its name is item, okay. I will say item soup dot find all. Why find all? Because find method, it only returns me one tag, right? So if I want to find all the tags, their name is div and their class name is, for example, that one, item block, I need to use find all method, okay. And here I will say I want to find the divs, okay, and which div I want to find, the class name is equal to item block, okay. It is here also, item block, you can see it, okay. And now here I will come to here, I will say for div in item, and I want to say print div, okay. Let's check it before, and after that we will see what we are going to do, okay. As you see now, I printed out all the div tags here. You see the first one is here, div item block, and it starts here and it ends here. The first one is here, okay. The other one, second one is here, div class name is item block and starts here and it ends here, okay. The third one is also here. So that means now everything is easy. So what can I do? For example, if I want to grab the title of my article, as you see, it's here, right, between h2 tag. So how can I get it? If you want to get the title, you need to type here. We can also here let's create here variable. Actually, I will say title is equal to div dot h2, okay. If I say that, and after that print it out, print title. Let's check it, and after that I will talk about why div.h2. Okay, as you see now I have all the titles is here. Let's check it, go back to here. As you see, the best free Facebook and Messenger games, it's here. The second one is the best apps for renting, and let's close this guy. This tool is a little bit slow sometimes. Okay, and as you see, the second one is the best apps for renting and buying movies in 2018. The third one is the best music streaming apps in 2018 for iOS and Android. As you see, it's working well. And before that, I want to talk about why we said div.h2, because let's go back here. Okay, I want to say only say div. Okay, and after that I want to talk about it. Here we said this is how we print out the div text here, right? And this div text, you can think like they are parent text. Okay, because as you see, a span h2, the h2, and the other div and the p is here is under this div class, div text. Sorry, that means you can think that div is like parent div. If you want to print out the something between this div text, that means you can think like this h2 is like child tag. Okay, so if you want to print a child tag, you need to say first the parent tag, and after that, after parent tag, you need to say div, for this is div, right? And after dot h2. If I want to print out, for example, here, this is summary content, okay, for our article. If I want to print out summary content of my article, I need to say it is between p tag, right? So I need to say only p. Let's also see it. As you see, I print out only p tag from this div. Okay, you can think like our parent tag. If you want to grab information from the child tag, you need to say the first parent tag, and after dot, and after that your child tag name. Okay, and now for the titles we set h2, right? Let's run it again. Now we have it, right? And now you see we have still h2 tags here, right? If I want to remove them, what I need to do? I need to do here dot text. Okay, and now I will not see these tags. As you see, now I only see here my titles. Okay, and for our summary content, what I need to do? Let's also do it. Okay, for my summary content, I will come to here and say content summary content. Let's say summary. Okay, is equal to div dot, it was between p tag, right? And the p, and I will say of course text. Okay, and after that I will say here print summary. Okay, and here if I run it, as you see now, this one is my title, and that one is, other one is my summary content. Okay, this is how we can firstly print out our title, and after that our summary content.